To complete the Etoro Know Your Customer process, also known as KYC, follow these steps. First, log into your Etoro account. Then click on the profile icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the verification section, where you will see the option to start the verification process. Click on Verify Now and select your country of residence from the list provided. You will be asked to provide identification, which can be a valid passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Upload a clear photo of the front and back of your identification document, ensuring all details are visible. The next step is to provide proof of address, which can be a utility bill, bank statement, or any other official document that shows your name and address. The document must be dated within the last 6 months and should be uploaded in the same manner as your identification. Once you have uploaded the required documents, Etoro will review them to verify your identity and address. This process usually takes a few minutes, but it may take longer in some cases. You will receive an email notification once your account has been verified. It is essential to ensure that all the information provided is accurate and matches the details on your identification and proof of address documents. This will help to avoid any delays or complications during the verification process. Additionally, make sure your documents are clear and easy to read, as this will also help to speed up the verification process. By following these steps, you can complete the Etoro KYC process quickly and easily, allowing you to access all the features and services available on the platform. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and secure to ensure a safe and successful trading experience on Etoro.